Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 7th A. Hope you're all fine while staying at home. Today we will start our next book, novel Oliver Twist, written by Charles Dickens. Before starting the chapter number 1 of the novel, I'm going to give you introduction of the writer, Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was born in 1812 in England. He enjoyed a happy early childhood until his family moved to London in 1823, and the family did not have much money. At the age of 12, he had to work with other child workers, pasting labels on bottles of shoe polish in a factory. This experience has a great effect on him and can be seen in his work. Dickens was always concerned for the suffering of the poor. He worked as a lawyer's clerk and journalist before he became famous as the greatest English novelist. About the novel, the story of the novel is about an orphan child named Oliver Twist, a young boy. He has no family. He is protagonist. He lives with other boys in a workhouse. He escapes from workhouse. He travels to London where he meets the artful Dodger, leader of the gang of pickpockets. Here are the characters of the novel: Oliver Twist, Fagin, Nancy, the artful Dodger, Charlie Bates, Bill Sikes, Mr. Brownlow, Mrs. Malley, Mr. Grimwig, Mr. Bumble, Edward Monks, Mrs. Corney, Agnes Fleming, Mr. Leaford, Monk's mother, No Claypole, Charlotte. Now comes to chapter number 1. This chapter is about the young Oliver. The initial chapter describes the birth of the main character, Oliver Twist. His mother died after his birth. Then he sent to the workhouse where he lived with other children. Mrs. Mann looked after them all. She was a very cruel person. She never gave the children enough to eat. The people at the workhouse gave her money to buy food and clothes for them, but she kept most of it for herself. She did not care when some of the children died. The officers at the workhouse did not know that she was so cruel, but Mrs. Mann always knew when they were coming to see her. Every time, just before they arrived, she would clean the house and wash the children. One day, suddenly, Mr. Bumble, who was the officer at workhouse, arrived at Mrs. Mann's house, and that day Mrs. Mann did not give the children anything to eat. Oliver and his little friends were so hungry that they cried out for some food. Mrs. Mann became very angry with them. She beats them and then locked them in a dark cupboard. While they were in a cupboard, Mrs. Mann heard somebody coming towards the house. It was Mr. Bumble, one of the officers from the workhouse. Mrs. Mann quickly ran to the cupboard and pulled the children out. Then she washed their faces and put clean clothes on them. All this time, Mr. Bumble was knocking at the door angrily. Mr. Bumble was often angry. Mrs. Mann went to open the door for him. She looked pleased to see him, but really she did not like Mr. Bumble at all. Mr. Bumble walked straight into the house. He was a fat, ugly man. Mrs. Mann tried to be friendly, and she asked him to sit down, but Mr. Bumble was very angry and looked very angrily. Mr. Bumble looked at Oliver and said, "I have come to take you to the workhouse." And Oliver Twist was very happy to see this, and he was angry. So he knew Mr. Bumble was going to take him to a new home. He began to cry as he thought of his friends in Mrs. Mann's house. They were his only friends in the world. Now he was going to leave them. He would be all alone. Okay, students, hope you all understand the chapter number 1. Thank you.